Alright, here's where the mechanism is going to connect back into. I've got to push the camera up in here and take a look at how dirty this vent is and what kind of debris is up in there. So I'm just going to push the camera up in and do a scan. Because I can't get my head in there. Alright, what's that? It's a leaf over there, I'm sure. Okay, but what's... Alright, so that's up inside the heater core box, the hole that the top of the box mounts to. And that hole is right behind the glove box. And as I was saying, it's difficult to get all the debris out of these things, but let's see what it looks like.